Well, I started by wanting to do it, and if you decide to do something, because I feel we all have feelings in us. We see something in the news, in the newspaper, in the news channels, and we say, so sad, so bad, and then we forget about it next day. But I thought that this is not an issue which we want to forget about, because these people have families, they have lives, and so I just felt the man who's given up on his life because of his problems, financial problems, he's taken the way out. But that doesn't mean the problem will go away. The rest of the family, how will they cope up with it? So I just felt that if we could start a little pathway for other people who want to do help, who want to do charity. I feel a lot of people have the good thought in their mind, but they don't know how to go about it. So I thought, let me lead the path to them. Let me tell them how they can do it without fearing that their money will get wasted and it will go to some wrong hands. So I know that they will trust that whatever I'm doing is going to go to the people directly. So that's why we had all these women today in front of them. We gave 50,000 each to all these women, and this is just the beginning. And I must here thank all my friends who not only donated clothes, all the designers whom I requested, they came ahead without any hesitation. They donated clothes, and I said, anybody who's donating money for the cause, instead of just telling him thank you, let me give him some thing in return. So we've got a whole array of things which have been donated by designers, and anybody who wants can take things out of that depending on how much they donate. All of them have been so moved on the cause, and they have all said that thank you for giving us the opportunity to be here. And I'm hoping that each of them, as they say, each of you reach out to one and join hands and let the circle of desire to help and desire to make a difference increase. Today it's only my friends. If their friends and their friends and friends of the friends join, it'll be a whole lot of people, and we'll make a difference. And as Asha ji said, she says, Sare Mumbai shahar mein, if people even donate 10 rupees to 100 rupees, look at the population. So many lakhs of people here. Even a person begging on the streets can turn around and give you 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. And I must share here 2 instances of friends who have called on their own when they read about it that we want to donate. The husband donated a certain packet, and then he says, I shared it with my wife, she also wants to donate. So that is what you feel for a cause. You realize it's going to go to the right place and make a difference, because unless we as human beings, I tell my friends, you spend on a bag, you spend on a meal out, and the same amount of money, if it is given to these widows or to the farmers, it may save their lives. So I think that sensitivity, if it comes in, for me it was also an exercise of sensitizing people, for them to realize that this cause is a very serious cause. And none of us take anything with us when we go up, neither our bags, neither our jewelry, neither our fancy clothes, but we do take our karmas around. And this is what I've requested people, try to earn good karma instead of buy good things, and beautiful things. So request all of you, please do help us, give us madad, so that madad can go and give further madad to people.
जी हमने कभी मुंबई देखी नहीं थी, सिर्फ टीवी में देखी थी। आज उनकी वजह से, पूनम जी और आशा जी की वजह से हमको मुंबई देखने को मिली, और उनकी दिल बहुत बड़ा है। हमको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा उनके साथ मिलके बातें करके।
आप लोग पहली बार मुंबई आए और आशा ताई के गाने जरूर सुने होंगे।
हाँ, बहुत सुने।
और 50,000 रुपये आप सारे लोगों को दिए। एक कहीं ना कहीं कमी तो पूरी की, कहीं ना
हाँ, ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा सा भी तो हमारी पूर्ति हो गई, ऐसा लग रहा है।
जाइए आप।